Hey guys, it's your girl Sha. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I somehow lost the footage to the intro of this video, but I hope you guys will enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I've already done the gel on my brows. There's not much that I need to do there. I'm just gonna take a simple pencil. This is the Essence pencil, and I'm just going to fill in whatever I have there. This is actually a look that I do every time when I am late and I'm going to like a glamorous event. I've always done this irrespective of the colors I'm wearing, and it works out. It's actually a smoky eye, but you know how smoky eyes are not for everyone. You guys know me by now that whenever I want to get out of a situation, or if there's a makeup look that I would do asleep, it should be a smoky eye. I've been loving this concealer. My shade is, I think it's mahogany. Okay, I'm just gonna move on to foundations, right? I'm going to mix these two foundations. This is like my holy grail combo. It's the Estee Laude Double Wear, and I'm gonna mix it with this MAC. The reason being, this one is too oily, but it's actually a very good foundation for my skin tone. As you can see, you can't even see it. This one is a little bit light and it's also drying, it's mattifying. I like it sometimes if it's very hot, but the combo, guys, the combo makes me look expensive. And also I don't always use this Estee Laude because it's expensive. Then I just mix the two on my palm and then I blend. It's a little bit lighter. What I love about this Estee Laude is that it's full coverage. Like, you don't have to, people won't even have to ask you if you have foundation on. It's very full coverage. Unlike this mineralized skin finish, you see, like I look like I have paint on my face, but after some time it actually looks nice. And I still feel like it's a little bit too light. I'm gonna use the same concealer to highlight my under eye. This concealer has a tendency to fade in if I don't put a lot, so I just add a little bit of the Instant Age Rewind. I'm gonna start with the forehead today. There. I look like a guy. I honestly look like a guy. I'm not saying you should agree, but just say. Like I said, I'm gonna have to over contour now because this foundation is way too light. I'm using the Loreal, this one. I'm using that one, which is the 342 Coffee Cafe. And I'm gonna put some there. And there's something I learned over the past weeks on in terms of contouring, but I feel like I'll introduce it when I do a video on brushes. Something that I've learned, I'd like to share with you guys. You see what I meant by over contouring? There should be a lot of warmth on the face since the foundation is too light. Like, now I look like a man. I'm just gonna drag this into my eye as well, just a little bit, makes things look a little bit more snatched. Then I'm going to drag it down as well and then blend it in. Okay, see that? I'm going to drag it down. And then now there's another trick as well. I'm plugging you guys. To hide this harsh line, I'm just gonna brush it in there, because if you blend it you might actually kill the entire highlight. So you just brush the contour in a little bit. Much better. Much better. Let me move close so that you guys can see. I'm sorry about my chair, it's a bit loud. I need to put some Vaseline. I need to put some oil. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is how I look now, right? Not that hectic. Not that hectic. Okay, I'm gonna set my highlighters and contours. I don't know how many there are, but whatever number. And I'm using my normal Yardley. I'm not really using new makeup here, so you guys shouldn't feel like she ain't showing us products. If I ain't showing you guys products, go watch my previous videos. Actually using products that I've used before on this channel. See? Do you see what I'm talking about when I say these foundations make me look expensive? I don't know how much both. Okay, I might have to mute this video because there's a little bit of noise outside. Okay, I'm gonna add excess powder here so that we define that contour and also brighten the under eye. There, maybe a little bit there as well, and on my forehead as well. There. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to setting the contour, and I'm gonna use this NYX NYX California Beach. Such a nice what do you call it, bronzer. Very nice. Going above my contour, doing that there. Okay, so now we're going to move on to eyeshadow, and I'm going to take the same NYX, what do you call this, concealer. So I added this one just for it to pop. Focus, the NW40. Yeah. Then I'm only going to blend this on my eyeball. What do you call this? The crease. Just for the eyeshadow to stick better. My holy grail. This thing is amazing. It fits into every travel bag that I have. I love this girl. She comes through for me all the time. You have no idea. So I'm gonna use just one brush. Listen carefully. Sit back, relax, and listen. I'm gonna use one brush. This is the color brush. I don't want to talk about brushes because I'm gonna do a whole video dedicated to brushes. So I'm gonna take this flat side and I'm gonna pick this color. You see, it's even finished. That's how much I love this color. I'm gonna pick this color and pack it. What I also love about this is that you don't have to put a, what do you call that, a liner. There's nothing that irritates me than putting a liner when you have to be going out and it's showing you flames. So now that that is done, I'm going to blend it out on the edges, blend it out. then put more where I have reduced the pigment. There. Done. So if you want to intensify things, you can either take this one or that one and just put it up there, but it's not really necessary. It's not. It's just to be like a transition color, but it's not necessary. So I'm just gonna see there. So I'm just gonna quickly do this eye while I'm charging the battery, because I can see it's about to die, and then I'm gonna come back and we finish this whole thing. See you just now. Yep, I'm back. I just did the other eye. So the lashes that I'm gonna wear today, I do have lashes, and shout out to I'm wearing, these are individuals from A-Class Lashes. I will be doing a giveaway with her very soon, and I'm so excited. I'm wearing these lashes today. They are called Elizabeth Raph collection. Very beautiful packaging, and thank you so much to Elizabeth for this lashes. The lashes are already out because I put glue on them, and this is the style that I'm gonna be wearing. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see the style, but anyways, you don't really have to see it. You will see it on me. You will see it on my face. I don't necessarily have to put lashes, but you guys know how I feel about bold lashes. It's stinging me. I don't even know how this one is sitting, but I think I like it better. And you know, eyes are different, né? So your lashes might not really sit the same way both sides. Take it from me. This lash here doesn't, this eyebrow here doesn't look nice, but we soldier on. We soldier on. I'm gonna put blush, and I'm gonna mix those two blushes, both by MAC. You guys know those blushes, man. I've been using them on my channel for the longest time, and I don't think, oh yeah, I have bought new blushes. I was about to lie. I was thinking of putting like bottom lashes, I don't know, just to for the fun of it. You know, sometimes you just need to go a little bit wild. That's how I feel right now. And then I am going to look for, no, let's move to lipstick. I'm gonna line it with chestnut. I'm gonna line with chestnut. I'm gonna use this. I've been using this every day. It's Cashmere Silk by NYX. This is like a perfect nude, guys. This one, I don't know if you guys can see it, because okay, I think you should see it there. Cashmere Silk. Amazing. Amazing. I love it a lot. Jokes aside. Okay, let me find lashes so I can put bottom lashes today. I literally feel like them. It looks so different. Let me get bottom lashes. So guys, I'm back, and what was I doing? I left when I was saying I'm going to put bottom lashes. Epic fail. Just look at this. Epic fail. But anyway, guys, I enjoyed doing this look. I just did my under eye with this jumbo pencil from NYX, and just simple mascara. This is Essence. I just used Essence, and this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it creating this, because this is like my signature look. Everywhere I go, if I'm late or I have to be somewhere, I just look like this. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.